Hello everyone, today we want to show you the new battle system with the new fire and air skills. This video will help you understand the battle much better. Here I am at the fire station where I can prepare my skills for the battle. I will select fire rain because the cost of the skill is very low, plus it does both heal and damage. Now going at the air station, we are going to select this skill called Dragon Arrow. It does do an insane amount of damage for a very high cost of energy. But I think it's worth it if I select Wind Slice, which has a cost of only 1 energy. Note that these skills can be used from everywhere, so that does mean that the enemy has no time to breathe. As you can see, I still have one more slot for one more skill. Now I have 2 skills that are doing small amounts of damage and can be done from anywhere. I want one more skill to have an insane amount of damage and does heal me as well. As you can see, I am at the fire station and am going to select a skill called Dragon Roar. The reason why I want to use this skill is because the reach here could be done from everywhere, plus it does insane damage and a little bit healing. We are completely ready for the battle now. I know for a fact with this build that the enemy won't stand a chance. Let me show and guide you. First click on battle. This will place you in a matchmaking. As you can see, the battle is slowly starting once it found the right enemy for you. Unlucky, the enemy starts first and after he is done the turn will pass to me. I will start with Dragon Roar since he damaged me already, so I want to compensate for the health I lost while dealing great damage on the enemy. Now after Dragon Roar, I am going to use Dragon Arrow early on. This will keep the health of the enemy low and gives me enough time for the cooldown's turn come back. In the meantime, I will try to keep my health up with Fire Rain, depending on how much the enemy deals to me. If it's not too significant, it's wiser to use Wind Slice. The cost is much lower and this will allow me to save my energy that's needed for my other 2 skills. As you can see, in this turn I have Dragon Roar back, but the reason why I chose Wind Slice is to save my energy for Dragon Arrow. Dragon Arrow costs 35 energy. So using Dragon Roar would be unwise. All I have to do now is keep the health of the enemy below 35%. Finally, Dragon Arrow now. And as you can see, it completely worked. We defeated the enemy with ease. This allows us to receive rewards much faster and actually saves us energy. Here on the leaderboard you are able to see my name. Using my tactics will help you to reach this too. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.